Hi, welcome to episode 3. So, as we explained in the introduction video, which we will link below, SemCom makes it easy for developers to dynamically load web components for different and unknown kinds of data. In this video, let's explain how to create a new component. So, we provided a base component which you can extend to create your own components that provides you with some helper functions. The only function that you have to implement is the handle response function. I'll take a look at two components to help you understand what that means. The first component is the payslip component. It has some basic information about a payslip. For example, when does the period start that the payslip is in, who is the employee that it's for, how much is the gross amount they earned, and what's the taxable amount, stuff like that. As you can see, the handle response function is implemented here. And it simply takes some data from quads and then loads that into the parameters of the component so that they can be displayed. Now, how does it get that data? Well, it calls the function readData, which is once again from the base component, and it uses that to ask the application in which it is implemented for data, specifically in the form of quads. Next, we'll take a look at the input component. The input component is simply a component that has two input fields, a file name and content. Anything you put into the content when you press submit will be saved to a file with that file name that you specified in a Turtle document. Now, when the user clicks submit, the component will call the function writeData, which is once again from the base component. And it will ask the application to write the data in the form of quads to a specific file. Now, as we explained in episode 2, a component can't just read or write data directly. It has to ask the application via an event to read or write the data that it needs. All right, that's it. Now you know how to create a component to read or write data.